G'day, Trey. Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Today is Saturday, the 7th of September, and we're going to look at Bitcoin and look at one or two indicators as to why it's been bearish and why this area where we just right now is likely to be a support level. And let's break it down. Mapped out on this chart with monthly levels, weekly levels, and volume profiling, which is basically using this sort of fixed range volume profile. It's important that you understand the background to these levels and Fibonacci as well. So what we've done is map this out, and we're looking at this area here as to why this is support. If we look across, this is a 4-hour chart. We've mapped our 4-hour levels. So that's our 4-hour level, which has confluence with this area as support. In addition, if I was to look at the Fibonacci, I'm just going to remove a whole bunch of stuff. You see our Fibonacci levels. That is mapped from the all-time high and to this pivot point below. No, pivot point, yeah, right there. That's the pivot point. And what we have is the 618 level. That was previous support. Here is roughly the 0.5 Fibonacci. We are trying to get above it. So if we stay above it, which is there, then it's bullish. If it's below, it's getting support from this module here, the profile here. If we look at this from another perspective, we get our Fibonacci extension from the top to the bottom, not right to the bottom, to the second candle, and there, give or take a bit, just slightly there, it is a 618. So we'll get the 618 support as well. I think that's the main reason for it. If we get our daily chart, that is our daily level there, and we just came below it. So there is no support on the daily. The daily level is above, which is likely to act as resistance. Now what we've done is we've split this in half, and then we've got this potential harmonic. So from top to bottom, we get this 806. You can adjust the wicks, and you can say it's a 786 or 787, one of those. It's close enough. It is a harmonic. Therefore, we're looking for this level up, which is, we're looking for the 382, but it's relatively close enough for there. If we were to just move things around a bit, we take out the wicks, you can see that this is coming towards the golden ratio as well, the 382. Close enough. The monthly levels there, weekly profiles opening there. There's a whole bunch of stuff that this is going to be a strong resistance as well. So if price was to jump up to this level, we will be looking to short and then come out. This looks like a shark harmonic for the 113. Taking out the previous low, 47, is probably where we're looking for naked point of control. So we're looking from this point of perception, and then it's either all the way up or up to a certain point back down again. But we're looking for this level as a major support. Here's a relief bounce, and then further down is my belief. That is the scenario that I'm looking at for the time being. So there is a bit of an opportunity to have a bounce here, go long, but it's also risky. So it's going to be, now's not the time to jump in yet. We want to see some order flows coming in. It's a weekend. That's the problem. So the weekend, and is it going to find strength here? It's a very hard question. But at this point, there is nothing bullish that's on the charts. We're just looking at it from a Fibonacci perspective. We're going to wait and see the candlesticks formation before we make a decision to go in or not. But because that could slip a bit more to these levels here, that we've got value high all the way across to these guys here. There's liquidity right there. This took it out. there's more liquidity along here, and there's a fair value gap here. And my suspicion is that if this doesn't hold, we get the fair value gap, wick down, and then back up. So that could be a good place to place your orders. We've got the weekly naked control, the daily, monthly level. So this area is going to be a strong support level, and this could, if this harmonic doesn't come out to be the case, then we are likely to drop further down. But for now, I can't see this just going all the way down. I think this is a pause. Question is, how much of a pause is it? This is obviously a resistance level. We've got a whole bunch of stuff here, the weekly level. So this is going to be a strong resistance level. If you can still climb up a bit more, question is, weekend-wise, can it do it? It's a hard one. But those are my thoughts. That's my plan. Waiting to see if there is anything to jump in for, and then looking for short if it gets to this range. This harmonic not play out. That's very possible. Harmonics aren't meant to be playing out unless they have confluence with many levels of liquidity and so on. So the shorts have come in. There's enough strength to do the short squeeze. We get that, and then maybe you might just push it up a more. But I don't see that happening unless the whales come in, and that's not going to happen during the weekend. Anyway, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.